In this video, I will show you how to disconnect COC account from Supercell ID. At first, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner above the shop option. Then click on this open option. Then go to the gear icon beside your profile. Then you will see the logout option. Just click on it and you can remember your account, or if you uncheck this option, your account will not be remembered anymore on this device. Now click on logout. Then you can choose among this option. Here I am selecting play without Supercell ID. Now the game will restart again from the beginning. So that's how you can disconnect your COC account from Supercell ID. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.